Time to go camping.
When I wake up, people take up mostly all of my time. I'm not singing for the bring it cause I make up a rhyme.
So how'd she sound? Dave's here now. Mr. Oosterhoff and his new bike. Watch that clutch. Ooh, look at that fancy new bike. White walls and all.
White Formation, baby.
Yeah.
Would you believe I sent
They got room for all of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors. Yeah.
Yeah.
We each get our own little room. Oh, gas?
No, walk the ice.
Oh.
It's got my legs and everything. I'm gonna do this when it's hot out, but not today. I gotta step into this. Ciao, guys.
And Richard just showed up. Oh, camp's all set up. Richard made it. That sticker's probably a bad idea.
That noise.
Camping with all these fucks.
Dude, that's not like fucking. That's alright. Yeah. That's all you need.
Lock station down there. Got all the boats along the dock. Yeah. Happy Friday. Saturday. One of them days. That time. The PBR cam. Bye, Chad. Richard's all set up. Those boys are set up and are having a Cuban in and around his mouth.
Hey, if you're gonna put it in your mouth, better be a Cuban.
Really, eh?
Yeah, they're long and thin. They don't choke.
So I found a weak spot.
Fucking black flies are out. Boo. Mmm.
Tasty through the filter?
Yeah, you can taste the bug guts.
So what you're saying is you're getting protein.
Yes. Liquid protein.
What's your favorite kind?
Used to having it a bit
Saltier? Like
saltier and thicker.
fired at the back of your throat at 105 mile an hour?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Who's this coming?
Right now, the only thing I need to know is
You got the fire here. Them old fucking black flies are horrible.
I've never paid
just trying to make some
$30
smoke.
to fill up my bike.
I only run the 94 or the 97.
Okay. So you're paying like fucking almost 2 then.
Today it was 220.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
For fuel.
Oh yeah. I think. You think
There's probably fucking money and all that shit.
or do you think it's because fucking Richard's here?
They think he's on his deathbed.
Yeah.
They can smell death.
They can smell the death and dying carcass. You recording yourself? Oh, okay.
For my OnlyFans.
You guys can sit with us if you want. We're obnoxious and we're loud and we say rude shit, but
We done got the cheese.
What the fuck
Chili.
there?
What? Chili and cheese. Chili cheese. And the nachos. And a cigar and a beer. And our new friends. Hello. I make shitty YouTube videos on YouTube.
And then I quickly realized. And then go all the way back. And then when everyone, what the fuck? Where were you going? Why were you there? Holy fuck, you should have told me. I would have came.
So, you see that? She got down to 11 last night. Oh, there's so much condensation in this tent. Jeez. They got the fire going. Todd and Richard are up. And she's foggy as heck. Fucking geese.
out of hibernation. Tyler, my AirPad went flat before I even got in bed.
Did you pump it up before you went to bed?
No, I never did.
I should have added a bit of air.
No, flat.
Oh.
Offered, but he said he needed a special connector. My air pump, he said, wouldn't do it.
You just need a good pair of lips.
Oh, it's one of those.
Oh, you can blow at it if you want.
That pump thing.
The what? I don't know what I did. I threw it back in one of my bags.
No.
Fire.
I think it's called a metronome. You know those musical things? You could set one to his fucking story and it was so consistent. It was kind of actually impressive. And this fire, Tyler, is last night's.
Ooh.
Not a single... Fuck, those things hurt when you hit them.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, Westport Road has a lot of fucking deer.
Yep.